In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install gallery app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install this app but you are unable because of this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To fix this, you need to go back to your Google Play Store app. So I'll go back and open it. Now you want to ensure that you are logged in with your Gmail account before you download and install this app. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then tap on your profile icon and go down to settings. From settings, look for this option, network preferences, and then go for app download preference. Here, choose this first option over any network. This will ensure you can download and install apps via the current network you're connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK. However, if this does not fix your problem, then the problem might be with the Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot Google Play Store, and you can do that by going to settings. And from settings, look for apps. Here it is. Under apps, you should see all your apps. If you don't see, you should see manage apps option or all apps. This will list all the apps that you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Play Store, and here we go. If you tap on it, we are now on the app info page. Here, first go to force stop by tapping on this. This will stop any background activity that might be causing the problem. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Once you're done, restart your smartphone and now go to Play Store. And from Play Store, activate search. So I'll search for the app like this. And now if I run the search, you can see our gallery app is here. I'll go ahead and tap on install to see if the problem has been fixed. And look at that, now I'm able to download and install gallery app. At this moment, if you still encounter any challenge, then you want to check and ensure that you have enough space. If you don't have enough space, then uninstall apps that you no longer want or need on your phone, as well as images and videos that you no longer need. So that's how you can fix can't install gallery app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.